And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Welcome back, everyone. Harvey is now a tropical storm. It was downgraded to a tropical storm earlier today. Let me show you the watches and warnings. Tropical storm warnings continue, shown in the reddish orange from the Corpus Christi area all the way to the Houston area. Those tropical storm warnings are also in effect for San Antonio, Bexar County to just south of Austin. The pink or the purple indicates a wind advisory. That is for the Austin area and I-35 northbound. So here's a satellite picture. This is Harvey. Of course, yesterday it made landfall in the evening around 10 p.m. on San Jose Island, about 4 miles east of Rockport, and it has since weakened as Atlanta's robbed Harvey of that heat from the ocean. You can see that eye disappearing earlier today, now a tropical storm, but that cloud field is very, very wide, covering most of the state of Texas. We're seeing some of those outflow clouds here in the valley. So Harvey will continue to weaken some more, but the problem is it is stationary at this time. Here are the official numbers from the National Hurricane Center: 29.1 north, 97.6 west. Maximum winds are 65 miles per hour, so it is a tropical storm. It's about 45 miles west-northwest of Victoria, about 60 miles to the east-southeast of San Antonio. And the problem is it is not expected to move very much over this weekend. That is a big nightmare and a big headache for many people in central and south Texas, because that means more rain and flooding due to Harvey. So here's that forecast track. Harvey's expected to slowly slide to the south as a tropical storm by tomorrow, and then make a turn back toward the Corpus Christi Rockport area as a tropical depression by Monday. And then the forecast has Harvey hooking back to the north by Tuesday and Wednesday, perhaps heading towards central and north Texas later on in the week. But you notice this forecast cone again is very, very wide, and the reason for that is those spaghetti forecast models disagree widely on where Harvey may go. Could possibly go to the west or even to the east of that area called the center line. Don't show the center line because things could very well change, but this forecast could very well change. So in any case, many parts of Texas, the eastern half, is in for a lot of rain and even flooding, especially into the Houston area. That's a good possibility, as well as toward areas east of San Antonio. So here's the radar. Very quiet here, yes. We're going to leave in just a slight chance for some showers due to Harvey's rain bands. We're calling for only about a 20% chance of rain here in the valley tonight, and about a 20 to 30% chance of rain for your Sunday. We'll pan the map out here. You can see the rain. This is the radar. Very heavy rain bands moving through I-35 between San Antonio and Austin, shown in the yellow and the red. Flash flood watches and warnings in effect for many parts of the southeast Texas, including the Houston area. Some of those rain bands tracking through Houston and now the Beaumont part of Texas. Temperatures right now, look at this. It has been hot outside, but at least not humid, thanks to winds coming from the west to southwest. Now, why has it been so hot today? Thanks to the wind flow around Harvey. We've been seeing winds from the west to southwest, so you know what that means. When those winds come from the west and southwest, they come off the mountains of Mexico as they descend. We call those downsloping winds. That air compresses and warms, and that's why the temperatures have soared today. 102 Rio Grande City, 102 McAllen, 95 in Weslaco. It was 101 earlier here in Weslaco, 93 in Harlingen, and 95 in Brownsville. This should happen again for tomorrow before the temperatures come down for Monday, again because of that downsloping effect, thanks to the winds coming from the west. And look at the winds actually out in the north in Harlingen and Weslaco, 15 miles per hour in Harlingen, a gust of 22 in Port Isabel. So here's future track. We're going to account for a slight chance for some showers thanks to Harvey's rain bands here in the valleys. Just about a 20% chance of some showers tonight with partly cloudy skies, partly cloudy for tomorrow with a 30% chance of showers. I showed you that forecast track as Harvey, as the depression expected to move back toward the Corpus Christi area. We could see some spotty showers, at least a few more rain bands over the next couple of days. So let's quickly take a look at the 7-day forecast. The high temperatures after tomorrow should be back in the lower 90s for Monday, Tuesday, and we're going to keep in about a 20 to 30% chance each day for some showers.